36 says, if P stands for this meal is delicious, and Q stands for busy people do not eat, write each of the following in symbolic form. Use this information to answer parts A through C. Okay, so the first one says, this meal is delicious. So this part right here is a P. And then it says or, and remember the symbol for or is the V. And then it says this meal is not delicious. This meal is not delicious. And so the not would put a negation in here. So this would be negate P. And this sounds like dinner at my house. Some kids are like, ooh, this is delicious. I love this meal. And other kids are like, ew, yuck, I hate this. So anyway, it's P or negation of P, which would be choice B right there. Do you see it? You've got the P and the P, and then the or is this symbol, and then a negation is that symbol. All right, and then two more. Same situation. Let me highlight those again for you. This meal is delicious is P, and Q is busy people do not eat. Okay. B says, busy people do not eat. Those are all the correct words. Busy people do not eat. But then it says, and this meal is not delicious. Well, the this meal is delicious, those words represent P, but by throwing a not in there, we are doing a negation of P. So, oops, let me go back in. So busy people do not eat, that is Q. The and, this is the symbol for and this meal is not delicious. Not is a negation, and delicious is P. So that is gonna be choice B. It's right there. And then the last one says, it is false that. Okay. When it puts that it is false that, or it is not true, that's when they put a negation in front of parentheses, and all of these have a negation in front of parentheses except for D, so it can't be D. And then it goes on to say, both this meal is delicious, so that's a P, that has a P, that has a P, and that has a P, okay. And then it has an and this one has an and that one has an and. This one has an or. So that one's out. And then it says, busy people do not eat. So that should be a Q. And so this one has a Q. Now this one also has a Q, but they threw in a negation on it. So that's one is out. And A is the answer. And I am done with my math lab example. So you all have fun working on that, and let me know if you have any questions.